Hi, course creators! Feeling overwhelmed by video editing for your online courses? Wish you had more time and resources to create engaging content? Buckle up, because InVideo AI is your solution. I'm Yukiko, your instructor. I've spent years creating online courses and understand the power of storytelling in today's marketing landscape. Think Marketing 3.0. Before I started creating award-winning online course promo videos, I honed my storytelling skills working as a wardrobe stylist for TV and film. This experience taught me the power of visuals and captivating narratives, which are essential for engaging online learners. I'm also a serial entrepreneur with experience in e-commerce and tech startups. I know video marketing has a very important role in our online business. My passion lies in helping course creators like you leverage video for success. That's why I'm thrilled to share this comprehensive InVideo AI course. In this course, you'll discover the magic of InVideo AI, a revolutionary AI-powered video editing platform that streamlines video creation. We'll explore who InVideo AI is for. From YouTubers and bloggers to educators and entrepreneurs, InVideo AI caters to busy content creators across various fields. This course focuses specifically on online course creators like you. Core functionalities. Dive deep into InVideo AI's features, including script writing assistance, a massive stock footage library, intuitive editing tools, and even AI-powered voice cloning. Perfect for creating professional narration without the hassle. But that's not all. This course will show you exactly how InVideo AI can transform your online course creation process. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to confidently create professional-looking video content using InVideo AI. You'll save time and resources while captivating your audience and taking your online courses to the next level. Ready to unleash your inner video creator and create amazing course content? Let's dive in.